In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix uTorrent old version not deleted. If you're stuck with an older uTorrent build that refuses to go away, the issue is usually that the app is still running in the background, which locks its files and prevents removal. We'll first make sure every uTorrent process is closed, then we'll locate its files in File Explorer and delete the leftover version. Follow along and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by moving your cursor to the Windows taskbar, the bar along the bottom of your screen, and right-click it to open the context menu. From that menu, click Task Manager. This opens the place where Windows shows all apps and background processes that are currently running. If Task Manager opens in a compact view, expand it to the full view so you can see the Processes tab. Now, look through the list for anything named uTorrent. You might see it under Apps or under Background Processes, and sometimes there can be more than one entry, including web or helper versions. Select uTorrent and click End Task. If there are multiple uTorrent entries, end them all one by one. This step is important because as long as uTorrent is active, Windows will block you from deleting its files. Also, if you were downloading something, pausing it before ending tasks helps avoid corruption. With uTorrent fully closed, open File Explorer so we can remove the old version's files. You can click the folder icon on the taskbar or open it from the Start menu. In File Explorer, you're going to find items with the name uTorrent. Depending on how it was installed, the program folder might be in Program Files or in your user's App Data Roaming folder. If you're not sure where it is, use the search box in the top right of File Explorer and type uTorrent, then give Windows a moment to list results. When the search completes, look for the uTorrent application folder or the uTorrent executable. Be careful to distinguish between the programs folder and any folder where your torrent downloads are saved. We only want to remove the application files for the outdated version, not your personal downloads. Once you've located the uTorrent program folder or files associated with the old version, select them and press Delete. If Windows asks for administrator permission, approve it to continue. If you see a File in Use message, that means a process was still running. Return to Task Manager, and any remaining uTorrent entries, and try deleting again. That's it. By closing the background processes first and then removing the leftover files in File Explorer, you clear out the old uTorrent version cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get rid of that stubborn build.